In this video, we'll learn how to add a Courses button to the Thank You page displayed after checkout and to the Order Status page. This will make it even easier for students to find and access the courses they've purchased. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and click Edit Theme. At the top of the theme editor, click the Home Page drop-down. From the drop-down menu, select Checkout and Customer Accounts. At the top of the page, open the page selector again and select Thank You. In the left-hand panel, click Add Block. Find and select the Courses Plus theme block. In the left-hand settings panel, toggle True to Display Courses button. Open the page selector at the top again, click Thank You, and then select Order Status. In the left-hand panel, click Add Block and add the Courses Plus theme block in the same way. And one more time in the left-hand settings panel, toggle True to Display Courses button. Save your changes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.